Hi guys, Monster Cameron here again and showing you some updated, this is an updated video. So we have this calibrated, this time it's showing a base of 6.8, so it's not very accurate. Or maybe precise, not very precise. I don't remember the difference between the two. So we have there, task manager showing you task utilization, CPU utilization. And right here we have AMD system monitor. That's going to show us both CPU and GPU utilization and memory utilization. So this should be a little bit more data than the last video. So first we're going to run emulation. Downloaded this off the website given by, damn it, what's his name again? Exophase. I don't know if I pronounced that right. So, Fraps, seeing Windows Media Players playing at 60 frames, decoding audio and video. Performance is at max. Let's get power consumption. And let's get in a little bit closer. Oh, face detection popped up. Alright, so showing us the GPU is being used up a little bit. Focus is a little bit hard for something like close. Memory, not too much, 1066 megahertz. Hardly any CPU overhead really, and that's UVD. Base hasn't moved. The display is still a little bit power hungry. CPU is half a watt to a watt. Let's turn on the display. Let's see what happens. So with video playing, we're getting, my earlier estimates, half a watt, and that's again through UVD. Maybe when they were doing the for the Z60, maybe it was overall power consumption. That's I Am Legend. Let me show you the information on the file. Okay, so you can see I got it off that website. So details. So it's about 8.2 megabits per second, 1920 by 816, 256K audio data rate, and 24.97 frames per second. Alright, so next we have a game, not very CPU intensive, but it's, oops, yeah, I do save mode. Alright, so we're gonna see power consumption on a game. Alright, so I have it VGA res. Let's try to get it where I can see the power data. Let's go to settings. Ooh, the lagginess there. Advanced video. Most of the settings are off. We can turn on specular is always on, or else the game looks like crap, and textures are as high as it can be. GPU utilization seems to be pegging a bit. Let's take a look at that. When I move the mouse around, let's go back. So it's pegging a bit. Now I'm gonna do Spec Ops. And so I don't have a mouse and keyboard, so this is gonna look like crap. Alright. So you can see CPU is being pegged a bit. Right here, so we can see everything. Fraps, you want to see the frame rate. There we It's loading. So the GPU is being pegged 30%. This is the loading screen, so nothing yet. CPU power consumption is about 2 watts. CPU utilization is about 80%. And the RAM, not that important. It's 4 gigs. Alright, so we're in game. 18 frames per second, moving it around, trying to force the GPU to render a bunch of stuff. Let's bring in AI. So let's see how much that dips the. So we're gonna bring in some AI and see how much that dips the performance. Particle effects, not by much. Id-Tech-based games, I guess, are more CPU reliant. Physics, nothing much. Spectator map is zapping some performance. Think about Black Ops in the palm of your hands. Alright, so let me zoom in a little bit more. And you can see the telemetry or whatever it's called. Oops, I'm about to die. Oh, what are you doing? Switch your gun. I got him. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Alright, let's play again. So just pay attention to. Oh crap, it's not updating. Maybe it's because it's not on top. Oh crap, why is it not updating? Oh, maybe the process crashed. Oh, there it is, it's updating. There's definitely something wrong. Alright, it is updating, so why is the CPU not... This should be like pegging the CPU at 80% utilization. Oh, that's weird. Alright, so I don't know why it's saying it's set. Let me launch another program. This time, I'll try to do this. So I'll launch. Let's see if this will work. Alright, so we're going to be testing Sunspider again, and I think I have figured out a way around the single core limit. I'm running 2 instances of Chrome, each set to a different CPU. So let's see how much damage this does. So this one's set to the second CPU, and this one's set to the first CPU. Minimize. Let's see the power usage from that. Performance. No GPU. CPU cores are pegged 100%. On the AMD system monitor. Oh no, actually it's 20%. Power consumption 5 watts. So it'll be done in a minute or so. We'll check it out. So this is both cores being fully pegged independently via the same browser, same benchmark. Still going. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, but it's reporting lower CPU utilization but a higher base number. So I have no idea what's going on. Let me take battery out. That doesn't do anything. Let's see. Almost there. Almost there. Now they're pegged 100%. There we go. Yeah, that's really eating up there. Oh, power consumption, not performance. So there we go, that's power consumption. So 1.6 watts. LCD brightness. Oh, there we go, it's finished. Alright, so let's see what the results are going to be. Oh, 1160, not bad. And this one is 1498. That's not bad actually. But I guess that's to be expected. And last but not least, we can do some another game. Let's jump into Steam. I should have one game there, one or two games installed. Or I could try emulators. I should try an emulator. Yeah, let's do that into Steam. That's nice. Please don't be sad. For the love of God, don't be sad. Emulators. Dolphin was the hard one, so let's try Dolphin. Dolphin.exe. Alright, so open. So we're gonna do New Super Mario Bros. If I can find it. Or better yet, this one actually is fairly interesting. Let's see if that runs now. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. God damn it. I don't need you, task manager. Power consumption. Right, that's gonna take a little while. Should be able to cut. Alright, so back in, and you guys can see, right now we're running Dolphin, an older version, and we're playing Rayman Origins. I don't think it uses 3D acceleration. Oh crap, I didn't map any controls, did I? How unprepared. Let me quickly map some controls. Oop, yeah. Oh, this is a emote. Emulator emote. Configure. A button. Oh, no, not using the gamepad for this. Keyboard, mouse. Space. Oop. H, whatever. Alright, so we're in 2.5 watts. There you can see Dolphin emulator. I'm gonna get it out a little bit. Also, it's loading. Alright. Frame rates 13. And the only thing making this run that good is because it's a 2D game. Alright, so we're in engine. Let's go map left and right while we're at it. Oops, don't freeze up on me. So let's do up, up, down is down, left is left, right is right, B is G. Alright. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. How do you move this thing? Maybe it's the wrong key bindings. This is really pegging the CPU. It's not even touching the GPU. A lot. Shake. D-pad. There we go. That was the wrong thing. Up. Left. Down. Right. Okay. Okay. So let's pay attention to this for a little bit. Man, that looks stunning. It does run on the PC 60 frames, so I don't necessarily need to emulate this. Alright, grab focus right here. I don't know why none of the key mapping seem to be working. Okay, so it's completely ignoring my mapping, and it's doing its own thing. Really rough, really rough. 17 frames per second, and it's 30% speed. Now let's take a look at the telemetry. Oh, so that's definitely causing the CPU to riot. GPU's not doing a lot of work. This is using the Direct 3D 9. I believe the D3D9 plugin instead of the OpenGL plugin. Alright, let's get a wider shot. Sorry that this is such a long video, but I'll try to edit. Alright, so let's do it here. Let's bring it inside her. Okay. "30 frames. That's beautiful. For emulation, that's beautiful. 2.5 watts. So this is doing Wii work at like less power than a Wii. Freaking game, Wii emulation in the palm of your hands. Whatever. I'm sure there are plenty of older games out there that probably work really well. You should try some of the earlier Wii games. Ooh. No. But this game looks beautiful. You can get it on Steam. 20%? Oh god, it's gonna crush me, isn't it? I knew it. Let's see if I can get something else. Stop. Let's see what else is there on my hard Disco Duro. Oh, I don't need to launch you. Let's do open. Oh, there we go. The other. Oh, must have gotten rid of you. New Super Mario Brothers. That might be around. Oh, that's PS2. Is that? Crap, I can't remember which ones are which. I should name some things. You know, forget this. Let's see if we can get PS2 emulation up and running. Alright, so this is Dreamcast running, and I don't think it's discovered. I don't think it's discovering. Yeah, that's no good. Oh crap, I killed the whole thing. God damn it. Alright, so boots up. Alright, load. Alright, so now that game should boot up. And you're seeing the Dreamcast logo doing a little bit of GPU work, but it's mainly CPU work. There we go. DVD. So let's skip this. This game was running 30 to 40 frames with a couple of dips. So let's see how much CPU utilization is going on. Power 2.4 watts, 2.5 watts for emulation. Just bring it in tighter. Zoom out a bit. HD video, so it should have no proper resolving. Alright. We are in. Oh, come on, don't resize. You know what? Resize. Why not? Alright, so there we go. We're in engine. CPU peg. 100. GPU's nearly pegged at 100. Let's get it on. Let's see what happens. Oh, what's the start button? There we go. Nope, that's not it. I should really map these games before I start playing. I have them mapped to my damn control, but not to the keyboard. Oh, there we go. New game. Horse. And Sega should just release information on the system and let people emulate, because this thing actually runs pretty well. Oh, come on, no cutscenes. This video is already going on to 20 minutes. I can't be bothered to cut it. Let's get me to the engine and I'll figure it out from there. There we go. CPU peg, power performance, utilization, there we go. Frame rate, let's bring it over a little bit more. There we go. So oh crap. Why did it change? Oh, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. How do you go forward? Alright. There's no forward. Ah, fuck it. Alright, let's just keep moving. AI. Oh, I died. Whatever, you guys see the performance, you see the power consumption. I think that's it.